Self-practice 4.6, question 1. Simplify the following expressions involving surds. Right, let's look at A. 3 surd 5 plus 5 surd 5. So, since surd 5 and surd 5 is a common factor here, we can imagine this as an orange. So, 3 oranges plus 5 oranges, we get 8 oranges. So, 8 surd 5. Then B. 7 surd 5, 5 surd 5, same thing. 7 oranges, 5 oranges, we get 12 oranges. 7 surd 7, 5 surd 7. So same thing, we get 2 surd 7. D. Ooh, here we have to expand this. So 6 surd 6 times 3 surd 6. So we just leave the 3 outside. Surd 6 times surd 6, we will get 6. Then surd 6 times 5 surd 6. So negative 5 remains. Surd 6 times surd 6 will get 6. So this is 18 minus 30, which is negative 12. And then E. Same thing, we try to expand. So we get 4 surd 5. And then 5 surd 5 times surd 5 is 5 times 5. Okay, this 5 remains. Surd 5 times surd 5 is just 5. So this will be 25 plus 4 surd 5. Okay, this is 25 plus 4 surd 5. F. Same thing. So we get 3 surd 7 minus 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 is 35. So we can say 3 surd 7 minus 35. G. Oh, here we have to do a total expansion. Right, so let's expand the 4 first. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times surd 503 will be 20 surd 3. Okay, we just have to times the number 4 with 5. Then this one. So 5 surd 3 times 3 will be 15 surd 3. And then 5 surd 3 times 5 surd 3. 5 times 5 is 25. Surd 3 times surd 3 is just 3. So this one we can put in the calculator, but under mental also can. 12, this will be 75. So 12 plus 75 is 87. Okay, I just show you lah. 12 plus 25 times 3. 87. And then the other one is 20 surd 3, 15 surd 3. So this is 20 oranges, 15 oranges. So we get 35 oranges. Done. Okay, H. Same thing. We expand the 7 first. So 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 5 surd 7. So 7 times 5 is 35. Surd 7. Then we expand this one. So this times 3 will get negative 15 surd 7. Okay, we just times the 5 and the 3. Then this times this. Surd 5 times surd 5 is 25. Negative, don't forget, because here negative. Surd 7 times surd 7 is just 7. Okay, it's only use calculator lah. 21 can minus 25 by 7. So this is negative 154. And then 35 surd 7, 15 surd 7. So 35 oranges minus 15 oranges is 20 oranges. Done. Okay. and took too much space already. Let's make it smaller. Lastly, we got I. So 9 times 3. 9 by 3 is 27. 9 by this is negative 45, Surd 4. This times this, again, 5 you must times 3, so 15, Surd 4. And then, alamak. Then this times this, same thing, 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Surd 4 times Surd 4 is just 4. So we put them in our calculator. 27 minus 25 by 4, which is 100. So we get negative 73. And then this will be negative 45 oranges plus 15 oranges. So negative 45 plus 15 is negative 30 oranges. Done. That's it.